If you've ever gone on a trip and come home to dead plants or stressed the whole time you were gone and were worried about them, you are not alone. This is an automatic indoor plant watering system, and it waters up to 15 plants at once, completely on autopilot. See all these plants? They're all on this system. In the kit, you get one watering system unit, 33 feet of tubing, 15 T-joints, 15 drip emitters, they're both in this bag, a filter, and a user manual. So you can fully customize your own setup for your own plants. This system can water up to 15 plants at once. You can set a timer for automatic watering or use humidity mode where it adjusts based on the environment. So your plants get exactly what they need without guessing. And it's actually really easy to set up. You just connect the tubing, place the drippers, set your schedule, and you're done. Now I can leave town, no stress at all. I come home to healthy, happy plants, and honestly, it's simplified my routine so much that I use it all the time, not just when I travel. If you're worried it's complicated, it's not. And once it's set up, it basically runs itself. If you have plants and want less stress, you need this because being a plant lover shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel fun. If you love your plants but hate the stress of keeping them alive, this is 100% worth it. Go grab one. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it.